What's up, guys? Today we're doing a very highly requested video showing you how to create a multi-layer stencil. This video is short, but it'll show you everything you need to know. I use this technique whenever I'm doing sports team logos, so if there's anything that you don't understand or still have questions on, don't hesitate to reach out to me. We're not going to prolong this video, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and start sourcing your image. Make sure that you get something that is okay to use and you won't run into any type of legal issues or anything like that. And the program that I use is Silhouette Studio with my Silhouette Cameo. Alright, so step 2 here, and the way we like to start our stencils is working from our outside in. So we're going to start out by tracing the outer layer. Now that the outer layer is complete, I'm going to show you all exactly how it looks on the shoe. Alright, now that we have that base coat painted in, we're going to step 2.5, which is to duplicate the outside layer and lay that down as well. Step 3, we're going to start working with our inner layer, which would be the next layer that we'll be painting in. So it's going to cover up that first layer that we put in, and now we're going to lay in that color, which in this case, since we're working on this Seattle Sonics logo, will be green. I just wanted to pop in real quick. I don't do it as much in my videos anymore, but I am still very thankful for those who engage with me in the comments, or even in the videos I still kind of mention this. But I want to thank y'all so much for continuously liking the videos, commenting on the videos, subscribing to my channel, showing all the support that I can't do for myself, meaning I can't grow this channel by myself. I can't do anything without you all's help. So thank you so much, and let's get back into this tutorial. Green paint is laid down, and now we're going to go to step 4, which is our second layer. And we trace that out, let it cut with the Silhouette Cameo. And we will place that down, and as you can see, it covers up that green paint that we painted. We remove the pieces that we need to paint in, and as you can see, these are all of the layers that we created. And we're going to come back in with white paint to cover up some of that green, and once the white is laid down, we come back in with a yellow layer, which is another part of the logo. And as you can see, this will be the final product. Thank you guys for your continued support. And just like this video, if you continue to compound your efforts each and every day, you will achieve the beautiful result that you're looking for. It's been your boy, ThePAiRANORMAL. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.